Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are talking about deck drainage and why water management matters so much in a Seattle backyard. It is easy to focus on the boards, railings, stairs, and color of a new deck. But before any of that, water needs a plan. If rainwater has nowhere to go, it can create trouble around your house, your deck structure, your patio, and the ground beneath it. Start by looking for signs that water is not moving correctly. You may notice puddles close to your foundation after a storm. You might see mud or standing water below the deck. Maybe the lower boards always look damp, or the soil around the posts never seems to dry. These are not things to ignore. They can point to drainage issues that may eventually affect framing, footings, and the area around your home. A deck needs airflow and drainage below it. With a standard wood or composite deck, rainwater passes through the gaps between boards. That is normal. The important question is what happens after the water falls below. Ideally, the ground should slope away from the house so water keeps moving outward instead of pooling beside the foundation or around deck posts. Downspouts matter too. A downspout that empties directly beside a deck can send a lot of water into one small area. Over time, that water can soften soil, create muddy paths, and add moisture where you do not want it. A good project considers roof runoff, nearby walkways, patios, landscaping, and where water naturally travels across the property. The deck material you choose still plays a role. Composite decking such as TimberTech can provide a lower maintenance surface that does not need the same regular staining and sealing as wood. But composite does not replace drainage planning. Even the best deck boards need solid framing, correct spacing, good flashing at the house, and dry conditions underneath whenever possible. Patios and walkways need similar attention. A patio should have a gentle slope that sends water away from the house. A path should not create a low point where rain collects. If you are adding a pergola, covered roof, sunroom, or outdoor kitchen, those features may change how water moves through the yard. It is always better to think through those changes before construction begins. Good drainage is not dramatic. When it is done right, you may not notice it at all. That is the point. Your deck stays dry enough to perform well, the ground stays stable, and the water moves where it should without creating problems. If you are planning a new deck, patio, or backyard renovation, start by looking at your whole property after a good rain. Notice where the water sits, where it runs, and which spots stay wet. Those details help shape a smarter project from the beginning. You can reach Tough Deck Builders Seattle at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuilderseattle.com to talk about deck construction, drainage planning, and durable outdoor spaces. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Seattle, and we will see you in the next episode.